So you've decided on your character's traits, flaws, and personality. We know how much of a big role they play in shaping how they look. But the way your character actually looks can tell us a lot about who they are too. Readers often make assumptions based on appearance, so it's important to choose your physical traits carefully. Let's get started. Let's start with some words that you can use to describe your character's appearance. And remember, these normally reflect their personality and traits. Some really common examples are beautiful or handsome. These often indicate your character takes pride in their appearance, or sometimes their social standing. They might spend more time in the mirror than on their actual adventure. You have characters who are athletic and rugged. These suggest your character is active, strong, and in physical or adventurous activities. They're the ones who climb a mountain while you're still tying your shoelaces. And then you might have characters who are neat and stylish. These might describe a character who's organised, meticulous, or fashion conscious. Even in the middle of a battle, their outfit is on point. Great writers, though, go one step further, showing a character's traits through their appearance. This goes beyond just describing how they look. It's about their personality shining through their clothes, their colours, and unique items. So let's talk about clothing. Clothing and even accessories carry deeper meanings in your story, and this is what we call symbolism. Symbolism is when something like an object, colour, or action represents a bigger idea, emotion, or theme. For example, a heart might symbolize love, or a storm could represent chaos. By using symbols, you can add layers of meaning to your character's appearance, making them more memorable and impactful. Think of it like adding secret codes to your story, except way cooler. Let's explore how we can use clothing to bring your characters to life. A character who is relaxed and laid back might wear jeans and a t-shirt, slouching comfortably in a chair. This tells us they're easygoing and don't worry too much about appearances. They're probably the ones who say, "It's fine," even when it's clearly not. An adventurer might wear sturdy boots, practical pants, and a weather-resistant jacket, always ready for any situation. This suggests they are prepared, resourceful, and unafraid to get their hands dirty. They're the type who finds treasures while you're finding Wi-Fi. A character wearing a crisp suit or an elegant dress might be someone who values tradition, order, or status. This could suggest they're professional, ambitious, or even a bit uptight. They probably have a monogrammed planner and a backup plan for their backup plan. You could have some characters who have unique or eccentric styles, like wearing bright, mismatched colours or vintage clothing. They can show they're creative, rebellious, or just comfortable marching to the beat of their own drum. You'll find these characters rocking purple polka dots with neon stripes because why not? Colours are also a symbol. They're not just about fashion, they can symbolise a lot about your character's personality, mood, or even their role in the story. Let's take a look at what some common colours might represent. Red often symbolises passion, anger, or power. A character who wears a lot of red might be fiery, determined, or even a bit dangerous. Watch out, they're not afraid to turn up the heat. Blue can represent calm, trust, or sadness. A character who favours blue might be thoughtful, dependable, or reserved. The ones who always keep their cool even in a dragon's den. Yellow suggests optimism, energy, or caution. A character in yellow might be cheerful and optimistic, but they could also be a bit of a risk taker. They're the sunshine in everybody's day, or the person who ignores the caution or wet floor signs. Those who favour green are associated with nature, growth, or envy. A character who wears green might be grounded and nurturing, or they could be a jealous character. You'll find them hugging trees or giving side eyes to your hero. And black can represent elegance, mystery, or even evil. A character who wears black might be sophisticated, secretive, or intimidating. So essentially, they could be plotting something or just really into noir films. Using colour and clothing symbolism can give your readers subtle clues about your character's personality, mood, or hidden secrets. For example, a character who always wears dark colours might be hiding something, while someone in bright colours could be trying to stand out, or they just really love highlighters. One last thing. Even though this isn't technically part of appearance, it's still really important to think about. Does your character have any quirks? Quirks are unique habits or behaviours that make your character stand out. For example, Violet Baudelaire from A Series of Unfortunate Events always ties up her hair when she's inventing. Quirks can be fun and interesting, like a character who collects and wears mismatched socks for good luck. Because who said your left sock has to match your right one? These little details can make your character more memorable and unique. So now it's your turn. Here's an activity to help you decide your character's appearance. Let's start by thinking about your character's job, their personality, and role in the story. How do these elements influence their appearance? If your character is adventurous, they might have a tan skin, scars from their travels, or wear practical clothing. Next, let me give you some options. Draw your character and add labels and notes. Include details like their clothing, hairstyle, any unique physical traits, quirks and colours that represent them. Or, if you don't fancy yourself an artist, create a paragraph or shorthand list using descriptive words and phrases to outline your character's appearance, quirks, clothing, and colour choices. You can use this list later when you're writing your story. Remember, your character's looks, traits, personality, quirks, and even the colours they wear all hold power and significance in your story. Have fun and bring your characters to life through their appearance. Can't wait to see the amazing characters you create. Happy writing, and see you next time.